What is happening, family? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another vlog. I think it's vlog number... It's been a minute, people, man. I've always promised you more vlogs and just so much has been happening in the last couple of months. Something's sad, something's good, and I'm just gonna fill you in later on in this video. But we're back at the HQ, man. We're back at the old mecca of skipping, the home of skipping, the original home of skipping. We've got some exciting things to show you inside here. And yeah, today I'm just gonna take you along for the ride. There's a few things happening. We're also launching some new apparel as well. So I'm gonna fill you in with that and what's going on the business side. Otherwise, sit back, relax, and hopefully you enjoy this video. All right, folks, check it out. The old RA HQ, the original place, man, where all my videos used to take place. Then we turned it into kind of the studio, the warehouse, the operations, and it is right now a building site. We are working on a really cool project, peeps, and yeah, I wanted to fill you in with what's happening behind the scenes. Like, so much has been happening in life. This year has been absolutely crazy. Feels kind of crazy being back in here. Had so many good times, so many good memories. Everything that's happened in the last kind of like 7-8 years of my life, like it just all started here. And if you guys have been following the journey for a long time, like you remember like just how important and precious this place was. Like all the videos, all the packaging, all the orders, all the ropes came out of this place all across the world. And where we are now in the current kind of HQ, and just in a business sense, it's just all down to this place. And it always makes me proud and happy just to step inside these four walls, and I just could not let it go. So I'm gonna be coming back here, I'm gonna be moving in here, and we're gonna be making this into a 2-bedroom kind of apartment condo, but it's gonna be kind of like a bungalow, so it's 1 story. I'm just gonna take you around and give you an idea of what the plans are gonna look like. All right, so as you walk into the joint, all right, so this is, if you remember, like this was my spot where I used to kind of do my videos, and this side used to be like our shelving space where the stock used to go. But right here is gonna be our living space, and it's going to be kind of like an open plan kitchen living area. So the kitchen will go along this kind of back wall here. We're going to have an island around here, which is going to be where the gas cooker and all that jazz goes. We're going to open up these windows to be like a bigger bifolding door so you can kind of step outside. But yeah, this is going to be the living and kitchen area. So as you walk through now this passage, so we boarded up this whole space, right? So on the right used to be where the office was. This is where my desk used to be. This is where Nathan and I used to work, the graphic designer used to work. We used to have a couch and a TV, but as you walk through now, this will become the master bedroom. We've still got the old King of the Skies logo as well, which is sick. Might keep that. But this is where the bed's gonna go, and then here's gonna be an ensuite bathroom as you walk through this little gap here. So that's gonna be that. And then through here, we used to have my camera equipment room. These are gonna be kind of separated, and it's gonna become a pantry and a utility room. So we're gonna keep our fridge and washer and dryer and all that jazz in there. And as you walk through the back here, like you guys never really saw the back end of this place, but there used to be like a couple of bathrooms. So now we're gonna have 1 bathroom here. And then as you step through into this back end, this area is gonna be basically a guest room. Probably put a sofa bed or a bed in here, and maybe my office as well, so I can work from here in peace. And we just sort out this boiler area as well, so it's all sealed off. I'm super excited, guys. I can't tell you, because like when we moved out of this place, it was, I don't know, I had this feeling and this vibe that I just could not let it go. I didn't wanna, yeah, I couldn't just leave it as it was, just an empty shell. So we're making use of the space, waking up, sleeping here every day. I can't tell you, like, I'm just really excited. I think the guys are gonna be finishing around the end of January, early February. So I'm gonna keep you posted, I'm gonna keep you updated, and I'm gonna share the progress along the way as always. So there we have it, folks. That is what has been happening on that front. That has been taking a lot of time out of my day, just making sure I just check in with the builders and make sure everything's on point. So today's a busy day. We've got a couple of things going on. I need to rush off to the laundrette right now. I need to dry clean a suit. Got a friend's wedding coming up on the 27th of December, and I need to shoot back to the HQ because then we are shooting the new apparel, the new stuff coming out, which is going to be happening on Boxing Day. I'm going to be sharing more details very, very soon. Big up to Norbury, my home ends. For the spot, people, man. This is where RA was created, this cafe right here. This is where I used to come, smoke some shisha, scheme, plan. This is where the ideas used to happen. My first workplace, guys, Domino's Pizza. When I was a young whippersnapper, around about 16 years old. Used to earn £3.18 at this place. That's mad, that's about $4. It's a nice little spot, this place, Norbury. It's kind of, I don't know, I'd say about 30 minutes from central London by train. Nice and diverse, a lot of ethnicities, a lot of people from all over the world live in Norbury. I wouldn't say it's bougie. Nice place to grow up. And we're actually, look, check this out. You know, we're moving up in the place as well when we've got a Costa Coffee. Shout out to you if you know anything about Norbury though. We got everything down here, trust. We got Pizza Hut, we got Domino's, we got Papa John's, we got all the pizza places, we got loads of chicken shops. If you want to come down, check it out. A lot of options for food.
Where am I going?
I walked past my car. This is stress, man, when you see 2% on your car battery. Need to get back to the HQ. This should hopefully get me there. Back at home. Current look at the war room, peeps. This is the operation side of RA. I'll take you around to the back, show you the madness that is here. I've got to sort all these boxes out. This is just, I don't know what the hell's happened here, but gravity has taken over and now this is all toppled, so I've got to sort this all out. I'm going to basically put this on this pallet, straighten it all up, make this back end look a lot more nicer. We have, right now, online, if you're watching this, if you use the code FESTIVE15, you get 15% off everything on the RA store, alright? So this is the perfect chance to gear yourself up for 2024. Buy yourself or loved ones a really cool gift.
Line of traffic up to that entrance.
That's alright, I'll catch you soon.
Okay, see you in a sec.
See you in a bit, bye, bye. Say what's up to the peeps.
Hey!
This is Tiffany, guys.
I'm excited about today.
You excited?
I just basically go around promoting Rush Athletics.
You're sick.
Tell us about the robot and the astronaut vibe. Where's that coming from?
I've got a thing for like, I used to love Transformers and all that sort of stuff, so I've got a thing for robots. I've got a thing for space. So the kind of space guys become our little mascot. I need cars like these.
Rushy wants my cars.
I need those cars. You know my cars are tiny as well. As much as I do skipping, they're tiny. How many times do you train a week?
Like 7 times a week.
You're on it, innit?
Can't you tell? Yeah, no, normally 4 or 5 times a week.
I'm gonna cut to a little video of you doing something sick with the gym. You're gonna send me a little gym clip,
All
yeah?
right, okay.
Little feedback. How are you liking the t-shirt so far?
I love it. I love the length. I love that you can tuck it up under and it still feels like baggy at the front.
Super soft fabric now.
Oh yeah, it's really soft and like quite boxy as well, which is how I like to wear my oversized tees.
It's good. What size you got on?
This is medium.
Medium, right? Alright, so ladies, if anyone's watching, this is what a medium could look like. So if you wanted a little gym look.
I am 5'4".
5'4". Yeah, and this looks cool. I like the way you kind of piece this all together with your shorts and stuff. Right? It's all unisex range, but this looks cute. Look at this logo. I love this one. This one's kind of like one of my favorites. Rushbot. His name's Rushbot. All right, let's get this shot up.
I really like it.
Yeah?
I mean,
cozy?
Oh, they're so cozy. The hoodies are amazing.
Feel cozy, yeah?
It's so cozy.
Comfy?
Yeah, really comfy.
All
medium, size medium.
I haven't, just explain to the guys, I haven't paid you to say this as well.
No, he's not actually paying me.
I'm not. This is free. We keep it real, you see? Indians, man, this is how we do things. All right. Smashed it. Honestly, got some good shots. Some proper good shots. This is how we pay our friends.
Thank you. This is all I wanted for Christmas.
It's got
it is actually all I wanted.
It's got a little spot here, so like this little side pocket here. You can put your trainers in here, and it won't mix with your clothes.
That's perfect.
So it's got a little trainer pocket. Catching you. If you guys want to follow Tiff's stuff, I'm gonna leave her Instagram here. A lot of gym inspo, right?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna be getting you back on the channel, and you're gonna be training me up one day.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Catch you soon. Thanks so much. Peace. Pickup time. Royal Mail. Hopefully they're all reaching you on time. All the parcels, all the ropes. How are you? You been alright? Ready for Christmas?
Busy.
Busy, yeah. Yeah. You alright with that? Yeah. Cool. This is life right now in the new HQ. I'm loving it. The project as well. The old HQ. And again, as always, thank you guys so much for everything you do for RA, all the support you give us, copying the merch. This setup, I've said it about a million times, never get bored of saying it, but this setup, everything we do, me holding this camera, I cannot tell you like how wild this dream is, and it's all because of you guys. DHO in the house. Oh shit. Wrong brand. DPT in the house. Charles, are you YouTube friendly? No, no face, no case type of guy?
No.
Yeah, you want to say hello to the YouTube family? Yeah, you want to say what's up? Here we go.
Yeah, what's up, man?
We got Charles in the house.
Yeah. Charles is at home.
This guy looks after us, man. Check it out tonight on YouTube.
All right. Then.
See yourself.
All right. Then.
All right. See you later. Peace.
Left of that, underneath all those other boxes, is the pink thing.
Alright, performance black white. Oh fuck. Is that one? Performance black, white. Performance white. This is going out to Marissa, Mexico. Sick order coming in from Romania, from Mirella. Don't know if you're watching this, but I just want to say big up. Performance packs, performance ropes. Also copping the RA fly grip socks as well. You guys need to get involved, man. If you don't know that we do these type of things, we've got you covered, man. These are perfect gifts as well. This is not the way to get stuck, but oh shit. Oh. Shout out to Ioannis from Greece. Night rope is on its way, my friend. Alright, so hopefully you guys are still here and enjoying today's video. It's been a minute since I've done a vlog, guys. I used to literally live for vlogs when I used to work in the 9 to 5. Like Saturday, Sundays was a day I'd like to try and get some filming and get a vlog out or something like that to share the behind the scenes. Literally, since this place has opened up, it's been so tough, so difficult. There's so many things to juggle right now. Like, I think I want to leave it for like another video, but I want to really share with you as well what it's like to kind of run a place like this, the size of this place, the costs that are involved, also the projects that we're working on. We've got a new rope also looking to drop. It's not going to be anytime soon because we're still in the sort of process of design and prototypes and things, but I want to share that with you. Behind the scenes, you know, life is always kind of moving fast, and you know, we've had some sad news in recent months as well. My younger cousin, well, I say younger, he's literally the same age as me, 37. He recently passed away, which was really sad. My first cousin. My mum's side of the family is quite small, and it was just it was a tough one, like to understand what exactly happened and how it happened. And I just think that, you know, like it's just been a bit tough for me to just turn on something like, you know, the camera and vlog and feel and share that kind of joy of everything else happening in my life when, you know, it just wasn't really the right time. So that's why I've kind of been off with the vlogs. You know, I've been trying to get the tutorials out, bash those out, trying to keep up to date with RA business, you know, still trying to develop lines of ropes, apparel, all the stuff that I share online. And yeah, that everything just kind of went on a bit of a back burner for that. So I always tell you guys like how much I enjoy making vlogs, and yeah, I don't do enough of them. It's just a really good opportunity for me to like open up a little bit more, talk to whoever's down for watching these types of things outside of my tutorials, outside of like all that kind of stuff. You guys who are interested in what's happening behind the scenes, like you're just so loyal, you're so supportive, and you're the reason why we've got to where we've got to when it comes to this game. And I cannot be more thankful, more prouder, just more grateful that, you know, you still tune in, you're still interested, even if it's like 1,000 or 500 or 400 of you who watch these types of videos. You know, I'm always here to try and provide value. So going forward, we're going to change it up in 2024. I'm going to make sure that everything that goes out in a vlog, you guys are going to get a piece of value or some sort of like vibes that, you know, you can take forward in your own lives. When it comes to 2024, it's going to be our 7th year in business. It's going to be my 9th year on social media doing this. I want as many people in the world picking up a skipping rope, making their lives better, feeling inspired, feeling good about themselves. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep grinding. I want to leave you with a little story, right, before I wrap things up. I know this monologue could have gone on for a long time, so big up if you're still here. But I want to share with you about the first time I switched on a camera for this channel. I was nervous as fuck, guys. Like I had no experience of how to talk in front of a camera. I didn't know what I was doing. I think I took like 1,000 takes just for that first video. The only thing I had in my mind was the long-term plan and vision, which is I just wanted to get people skipping. I wanted to get people feeling how I was feeling in that moment in time. Everything that was going on in my life, skipping or jumping rope was the thing that was saving me, all right? It just took me out of a bad place and it made me feel so much more better, and I just wanted to share it with the world. Even if one person saw that video or 2 people, I didn't care. I didn't want to try and explode and become this big person with loads of followers. I just wanted as many people as I could just to learn what I was learning at the time. The reason why I'm trying to say this all, I know it's all long-winded, is going into 2024, you may have these dreams, you may have these massive plans and ambitions and goals and things like that, but a lot of people get disheartened because they feel like they don't know what they're doing.
And I just wanted to let you know that along the way, you're just gonna figure it out, but you need to just jump in the deep end. You need to just get moving, get doing, and you will figure it out. And that's the main thing, is that along the way, I had no experience. I had, zero confidence talking into a camera. In actual fact, like in big groups of people, I was always the quietest. I tend to like to keep to myself sometimes. And there I was with a camera, speaking to large parts of the world, doing workshops, doing big group classes, and I felt as confident as ever. This is the thing that happened to me. Like it just works, all right? You just need to believe in yourself. You need to pick yourself up, whatever downer you're in, whatever bad place you're in. Everyone is going through a lot of shit. Everyone goes through a lot of different shit. And it's easy for me, obviously, to say, like, just pick yourself up and just get moving and get grinding. I get that. But what I want you to get from this video, or this little speech right now, is you will figure it out, but you have to put yourself in the position to learn to figure it out. Good shit will happen, I promise you. And I think I've just talked a lot. To be honest with you, I don't know where this video is going. Drop me some vibes down below, peeps. Let me know you're still watching the vlog. It means the world to me. I read every single comment. So I'm gonna check you in the next video, peeps. As always, we're gonna get back to the fire tutorials. I'm gonna get you guys flying more bossy than ever. And yeah, have a good end to 2023. Enjoy your Christmas if you're celebrating, or your holiday season. And yeah, have a good start to 2024 if I don't see you. So until next time, guys, peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.